God, the
Big
Ram,
head ass nigga.
the realest ever made. Just stand on the edge of the Grand Canyon like, I just want to feel this up with money. Yeah. See my wrist on freeze, yeah. See my wrist on freeze, yeah. See my neck on freeze, yeah. See my neck on freeze, yeah. You ain't getting none of these, though. You ain't getting none of these, yeah. Pocket filled with G's, yeah. I ain't talking about Gucci.
YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy Young Rich 419, man. Back with another video, man. Hey, today we're about to drop this car off. We got that car back. And it's about to go down, man. So hey, man, get y'all look right now. Yes, about to drop the SRT off. But we got the Impala back. All the issues done with that. Yeah, I know. It's filthy. Yeah, it's filthy, man. Filthy. I ain't drive it all weekend. It's filthy, man. The 24s ain't on, but we won't get those put on pretty soon. I'm still buying big tires for it, so don't worry about that. But I know I might have to do some modifications again. So, but we're gonna put the 24s back on real soon. But with this Impala, everything good to go, man. Got my side blind zone alert fixed. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I know it's filthy. The disrespect, man. The disrespect, man. I know, man. But we got the side blind zone alert fixed, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go in and show y'all right quick. You know what I mean? Also, I found out I had a bad battery too, man. Yeah, I had a fucking bad effing battery, man. So, now my battery is cool. Let's go cipher through here right quick. You hear that loud noise? We'll talk about that in a second too. All right, right here, y'all. Battery good, man. Come to find out, when I got the car back, this mug was only reading at 12.6 volts, man. So luckily I had a warranty on the battery. Good on that now, I know what I'm saying. My side blind's on alert. Let me show y'all this right quick. Settings, man. Vehicle. See, when my detection system was gone, was messing up, this was gone. Like literally disappeared, man. Like literally disappeared. But now it's back. All this is actually back up here again, you know what I'm saying? Side blind's on alert. Turn off. Then we're gonna turn it back on right quick. Turn it back on. Bam. We good to go. Everything work how it's supposed to work now, man. So happy about that. Also, it's not drawing on the car no more, because this light over here used to be on damn near 90% of the time, and it must just be drawing on the car. And I'm pretty sure that was somewhat killing my battery, somewhat. But come to find out, I already had a bad battery too. So, but yeah, I had to spend that $1,300, man. And you see what I did, right? I spent the $1,300 way before I bought tires. Even though, you know what I'm saying, fix the car first before you do other shit. Now, let me show y'all what I'm about to fix. Still gotta drop it off. Gonna get this fixed though before I buy tires and all that other bullshit. My Cadillac converter has a thin hairline crack, man. If y'all can see it, man. Yes, that black in the metal. It's a thin line crack right here. You can't even tell for real. But I noticed it when one time I just came to check it. I started the car real quick, ran up here, and you can see the red line all the way across, man. It'll look like a dark red line, basically the fire or whatever. You know what I'm saying? And this mug is super loud when this mug is super loud when I start the car or when the car cold. But like right now it warmed up. But let y'all see this. Ooh, man, this motherfucking poking up. Shit. I don't know if I showed y'all this yet, but go ahead and show y'all this right quick. Brand new daddy. You feel me? Brand new daddy. Direct fit. But this is a MagnaFlow. You know what I'm saying? It's the MagnaFlow. So, but yeah, we go actually, and this actually is a common problem on Impalas, man. They get this little thin hairline crack, man, like right here. You know what I'm saying? And the car end up becoming loud, man. You can't really tell because you can't even tell that it's bad, man. Like literally, you really can't tell. I thought that was just normal. But yeah, basically a lot of them Impalas, man, they between the 14 and 16, as I read up online, they bad, man. Got bad welds, man. But yeah, you gotta drop this off. You gotta get the engine bay sprayed up, man. Let me go ahead and pop this hood right quick. Shit. Don't mind my burnt seat, bro. We gonna do all that eventually, man. Don't even worry about all that, man. Back when I used to smoke. Now I ain't lie, just smoke occasionally. But we about to get this engine bay painted, man. Get all this painted, man. All that. Get all this black gone, man. Get all this up out of here, man. You know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna take the engine out though, but we gonna move this stuff out the way right quick. Get it sprayed up. Like I said previous video a long time ago, it's gonna happen. So it's about to happen today, you know what I'm saying? So, and that's probably, this car already done, man. I'm have them dudes spray this too, man. Hope you don't get mad at me. I'm having them spray this too, though, man. So, for that, we good, man. I was gonna have them spray the covers, but nah, leave covers like that, leave this like that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, about to do that. Also, SRT 392, man. I'm push that back. Yeah, I pushed that back. What we gonna do this, push it back. But yeah, them brake pads, man, they holding with the dust, man. I will say that. They holding with the dust, man. They definitely holding with the dust, man. They feel good, man. This mug clean though. Look at this motherfucker. Glass, boy. Boy, I know how to clean some cars, man. I know how to clean some cars, man. Big Durango, you feel me? But yeah, we about to go ahead and bounce, drop this off, man. And that's that, man. Like a little quick update, man. You feel me? But once again, it's your boy, Young Rich 019. Y'all know what it is. You know what it is. Bring my end game, man. Like, share, subscribe, man. Peace.
Damn.